Last week, 7/11. No demos, but we talked about 1.7. We looked at some PRs. And today, 7/18, demos, topics. We'll check for 1.7 if there is any news, but apparently I forgot to send the recording, so nobody knows that we need to look at 1.7 issues. We'll check again today, just in case. Status. As you can see, the Wi-Fi is super weak. So if you have issues with my voice, then we'll blame the Wi-Fi. What do we have on 1x? We have cache culture records by both ID and name. J7, so we saw that already on here using make it instead of SMTP client. Same as option core. And Benedek still working on 110x merging, probably unit test. And updating all the things to ship 1.11 and merge 110x into dev. Okay. Orchard core 7/11. So we start there. .NET 6.7.09 updates. Auto add admin prefix only for admin nodes. Navigation links. Just okay. These are just okay. I need to go there first, and mostly rules applied, but we don't care here. This is the code IP. Auto add admin prefix only for admin nodes. D'abord, I did a video about two-factor authentication to the documentation. Client IP address accessor. This is after some review we did last week. So the goal of this thing is to grab the IP of the remote client in a service, so we can reuse the code where it's used. The first PR was suggesting to add it to the Orchard extension property, or the global Orchard core property to add it as an extension method, but it's better to add it as a custom service. Oh, I would have used the lowercase p here. Oh, but that's not us, so system.net, interesting. So IP is a special case. Interesting. Okay, update benchmark.net, update xunit. PM, OpenIDICT, Azure.Storage.Blobs, documentation, IClientIpAddressAccessor, change ILogger to just use, oh, that does the wrong class. I wonder if this could be an analyzer in .NET in general to see what kind of logger you are injecting in the class. So they should match. In this case, do they match? Yes, ShapeTemplateBindingStrategy. Plain code change method. Just adding another one. That's interesting. So what's the reason for that? 14 or 13. Okay. I believe it will just fall back to SHA-256 by default. Update Redis client, because now we have a direct dependency on this Redis client. So we need to keep up with the changes. What? So I was not working for the past weeks, so I missed that. Microsoft Entra ID. Interesting. What do you know for? Exactly the same thing, but with a new name. Loading. And next issue, mkdocs update. So this one, what's behind this issue? Come on, Mister. I will open another window in the meantime to look at 1.7 issues.
Is your screen frozen? Is it just me or?
Well, I'm waiting for this blue bar to finish up. So if you don't see anything moving, then
the article Azure ID is becoming Microsoft Entra ID.
Okay. So do I need to reshare? The network is very slow, so maybe that's the reason. Stop sharing and share again. Still including the issue and the issues. Maybe if I move my laptop up in the air. Still have 2 bars. The thing is loading. At least I'd like to see the 1.7 issues. Okay. So Zoltan opened it. Okay, so just reacting to the news. And issues, it's weird because everything worked when I closed the other tabs. So going to issues. Milestones 1.7. Okay, for the blob storage misconfiguration deletes all content. So I think I pinged all the issues. So this one, the risk is to use files on blob storage. Okay, so someone needs to try the repro and see if it happens again, otherwise we'll close the issue. But it's been a while now. This one, custom help. Yep.
All I see is a black screen. I don't know for the other ones, but can you please confirm, other guys? Are you seeing Sebastian's screen?
Yes, I can see Sebastian's screen.
Okay, I will leave and come again.
Okay, blob storage. Then second issue, custom health checks failed due to IClientIpAddressAccessor change. Pinging the creator the news. Dev branch Elasticsearch indexing with some issues. Same thing, pinged in the news. And last one for Jean-Thierry, but when he has time to ensure that how we use Razor is compatible with .NET 8 because they are doing some breaking changes. And because they are doing some breaking changes and it will be for .NET 8.0, we need to be sure we are compatible with these changes. Or at least that we can have custom compilation conditions, so it will work and there is nothing missing in the changes they are doing, that they are not removing features we are using. So that's the status for 1.7. If you want to own an issue, like try to repro to confirm it's still a problem, or you can't repro the issue and we can close that, that would be great. And this one, you need to understand what to do with Razor, so that's why I pinged Jean-Thierry. Cool. Okay, well, questions, comments? Thursday, I will have the same network as today, so it will be not the best. But next week, I'm back home, so quality will improve. And Gabor, I will try to send it to you. And I will move closer to the Wi-Fi router, so hopefully it will be fast. Awesome. Well, see you on Thursday. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you.
Thanks. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.